All right, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to continue reading W-2 instructions. And today we are going to start with the additional Medicare tax. Let me just get here where I'm going to share my screen. And Underfoot is making her appearance. And see, I can put a cat down without starting a cat fight. Although I'm not entirely sure how that happened tonight. All right, so additional Medicare tax. In addition to withholding Medicare tax at 1.45%, an employer is required to withhold a 0.9% additional Medicare tax on any federal insurance contribution act wages, FICA wages, or Railroad Retirement Tax Act, RRTA, compensation it pays to an employee in excess of $200,000 in a calendar year. An employer is required to begin withholding additional Medicare tax in the pay period in which it pays wages or compensation in excess of $200,000 to an employee and continue to withhold it until the end of the calendar year. Additional Medicare tax is imposed only on the employee. There is no employer share of additional Medicare tax. All wages and compensation that are subject to Medicare tax are subject to additional Medicare tax withholding if paid in excess of $200,000 withholding threshold. For more information on additional Medicare tax, go to irs.gov/ADMT. Unless otherwise noted, references to Medicare tax include additional Medicare tax. Medicaid waiver payments. She is relentless tonight, you guys. All right. So notice 2014-7 provides that certain Medicare waiver payments may be excluded from income for federal income tax purposes. See notice 2014-7, 2014-4, IRB 445, available at irs.gov. Also see irs.gov Medicaid waiver payments for questions and answers on the notice. Business services online. The Social Security Administration has enhanced its BSO website to make it easier to register and navigate. Use BSO's online fill-in forms to create, save, and submit Forms W-2 and W-2C to the SSA electronically. BSO allows you to print copies of these forms to file with state or local governments, distribute to your employees, and keep for your records. BSO generates Form W-3 automatically based on your Form W-2. You can also use BSO to upload wage files to the SSA, check on the status of previously submitted wage reports, and take advantage of other convenient services for employers and businesses. Visit the SSA's Employer W-2 filing instructions and information website at ssa.gov/employer for more information about using BSO to save time for your organization. Here you will also find forms and publications used for wage reporting, information about verifying employee Social Security numbers online, how to reach an SSA employer services representative for your region, and more. Tip: preview BSO by viewing a brief online tutorial. Go to ssa.gov/employer/BSOTUT.htm. And that is where we are going to end the W-2 instructions for tonight, because I don't want to cover too many topics in these videos, because if you're looking for one specific thing, I want to try to make it easier for you. So today we covered the additional Medicare tax and a little bit about the BSO online website at the SSA.